I'm Mrs. Sapp, and today we'll be doing a first grade math lesson over comparing numbers. And the strategy we're going to use is a number line. But before we get started, let's get our mind and our body calm, alert, and ready to learn. We're going to do a 5 and 45 activity. What this means is for every 45 minutes that your brain is working, you need a 5-minute break. So first we need to do is find our home base. Put your feet shoulder width apart. Put your arms out and make sure that you're not going to hit anyone or anything. We're going to start with one movement at a time. We're going to do that movement 5 times. Then we're going to add on each time as we go. Our first movement is going to be arm stretches. So let's do that 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Next, we're going to do some waist twisting. But before we can do that, we have to remember to do our arm stretches first. Here we go. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to do some finger snapping. If you can't snap, that's okay. You can go ahead and clap your hands. So let's start at the beginning again. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finger snaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now that our arms and our hands are warmed up, let's stretch out our legs a little bit. We're going to do some squats. But remember, we have to do all of the other movements first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snap or clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now that we've done some high energy movements, let's bring ourselves down and calm down with some nice belly breathing. We're going to do all 4 of those movements again, and we're going to end with belly breaths. Make sure you put your hands on your belly so you can feel as you take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snap or clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now belly breaths. Hands on your belly, in through your nose and out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're calm, alert, and ready to learn. Let's get started. Our objectives for the day are: I can compare 2 two-digit numbers by using a number line. I can compare numbers using the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. Make sure you have your packet with you. We're going to be on day 1. If you don't have a packet, go ahead and grab a paper and a pencil so you can follow along with me during this lesson. Let's see how we used to compare numbers. Take a little rewind. When we compare numbers, we want to see which are greater and which is less. So here we have 3 leprechaun hats and 4 witches' hats. You can visually tell that there are more witches' hats. So we would say that there are a greater amount of witches' hats than leprechaun hats. We have apples and gumdrops. You can clearly see that 5 apples is greater or more than your 3 gumdrops. Here we have 2 kites and 3 balloons. 3 is greater than your 2. And down here we have some blue butterflies and some nice buzzing bees. We have 1, 2, 3 butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4 bumblebees. We have greater amount of bumblebees than butterflies. But today we're going to learn a new strategy so we don't have to draw and keep counting. It'll save us a little bit more time. We're going to use the number line strategy. So let's watch a quick video from Learning Upgrade to learn all about a number line and how we can use it to compare numbers.
Learning Upgrade. A number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As we move to the right, the numbers get larger. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. Let's plot the point 4 on the number line. Draw a dot at the tick mark with the number 4 below. What is the value of point B? Look at the number below. The value is 2. Which is greater, point A or point B? Point A is to the right of point B, so point A is greater than point B. Number lines.
I hope you enjoyed that fun video from Learning Upgrade. Let's review what the video taught us. On a number line, as you move to the right, your numbers get bigger or larger. As you move to the left, your numbers get smaller. Think of left is less. So let's try this out. We have the numbers 13 and 9. First, we have to locate them on our number line. So let's first find the number 13. I know that 13 is 1 more than 12 and 1 less than 14. So here is 13 on my number line. There's a 3 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. Now let's find the number 9. I know that the number 9 is 1 more than 8 and 1 less than 10. Here it is on our number line. The numbers again go in order. Now let's see, which is greater? We know that on a number line, as you go to the right, the numbers get larger. So, which is greater, 13 or 9? 13 is greater than 9. Now we're going to use symbols to compare our numbers. So let's watch a video so we can learn about greater than, less than, and equal to.
Silly School Songs! a time there was a hungry alligator. He loved to eat numbers, so he figured out a way to always get the biggest bite when the numbers were there. He would stop for a second, take a look and compare. Whichever number was the biggest of the two was the one that he would eat. So just to review, here's the main thing to know about the hungry alligator. He always eats the number that's greater. Greater!
Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use for greater than, less than, and equal to.
Hey! Greater than, less than, equal to.
The greater than symbol points to the right. The less than symbol points to the left. The symbol always points to the number that's smaller. I'd like to tell you more, but I'm running out of breath.
Sometimes it can be hard to remember which symbol is which, so here's a simple little tip. The less than symbol is shaped like an L. Just remember L for less, that's how you can tell.
But what about the equal sign?
Now here's what it means when you see the equal sign. The value of the numbers is the same on both sides. But on the other hand, greater than and less than are called inequalities because they're not
equal, man. Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use for greater than, less than, and equal to.
Hey! Greater than, less than, equal to.
I hope you enjoyed that silly school song. So now that we know that 13 is bigger than 9, let's use different vocabulary to help us with that. We would say that 13 is greater than 9. It is bigger, but we want to use the words greater than and less than. Now let's try to use a symbol to match what we just did. Here we have our hungry alligators. Remember, the alligator wants to eat the greater number. They're really hungry. So here we have 13 blank 9. Which alligator would we put in the middle? We would say that 13 is greater than 9. The hungry alligator would rather eat 13 fish than 9 fish. Let's try another one by looking at our number line and comparing them with our symbols. Which number is less, 11 or 17? First, let's locate these on our number line. Again, our number line up here goes from 0 to 20. Numbers get larger as you move to the right. Think, as you go to the left, it gets less. So let's find the number 11. 11 is between 10 and 12. It's one more than 10, but one less than 12. Let's find the number 17. 17 is one more than 16, but one less than 18. So what could we say about these two numbers, 11 and 17? Our options are greater than, less than, or equal to. Here's our comparison sentence. 11 is blank than 17. Think about it. For this one, we would say that 11 is less than 17. Now let's see which symbol goes along with less than. Here's our hungry alligators again. Which one are we going to choose? 11 blank 17. This time, we're going to use 11 is less than 17. The alligator's mouth is kind of making a squashed L, so think of less than and an L. Great job. Now, you've been doing some great work using your brain, let's shake our sillies out. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to just get up, move around, get all of your energy out so that we can get ready for the next part. I'm gonna count down from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew, I feel a lot better. Now let's take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. You guys are doing some great work. Let's keep going. Now let's look at some bigger numbers. Here, our number line, it doesn't start at 0 and go to 20. Ours goes from 21 down to 37. Here we are going to compare 24 with 32. I've already located them on the number line. 24 is right here between 23 and 25. 32 is one more than 31 and one less than 33. Now let's think, which symbol are we going to put in the middle? 24 blank 32. Remember, our options are greater than, less than, or equal to. We already know that it's not going to be equal to because the numbers are different. Think, which number is more to the right on the number line? We would say 24 is less than 32. 24 is to the left on our number line. Think of left as less. And our less than sign again looks like an L. Now here's some practice that I want you to do in your packet. We have 3 different comparisons, 15 and 6, 12 and 9, 14 and 14. So get that packet out and let's see how you do. I'll give you a minute. Let's see how you did. On the first one, we would say 15 is greater than 6. 15 is to the right of our number line. With 9 and 12, we would say 9 is less than 12. Because 9 is to the left, it is less. And on 14 and 14, I circled the number 2 times, meaning the numbers are the same. So we would say it's equal to. So we should have had 15 is greater than 6, 9 is less than 12, and 14 is equal to 14. And again, remember to use your number line as your strategy so you can visually see it. Now here's a daily challenge. One or more of these comparisons is wrong. They are not correct. We need to figure out which ones they are. Can you spot the mistake? We have 12 is greater than 15, 17 is less than 20, and 14 is less than 7. One or more might be wrong. Even teachers make mistakes sometimes. So take a minute and use your number line on your packet, and let's see if you can figure out the mistakes. Let's look at our first one. 12 is greater than 15. The alligator's mouth is open to the 12. Well, I know with the hungry alligator, he'd much rather munch on 15 fish than 12. So this one is incorrect. It is not right. It should actually say 12 is less than 15. Did you catch my mistake? Now let's look at 17 is less than 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. I do know that 20 is greater than 17. So the alligator's mouth is actually opening up toward that 20. So 17 is less than 20. That one was correct. Now let's look at 14 is less than 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14's a lot bigger than 7. It's actually double the amount. So really, it should say 14 is greater than 7. Thank you for fixing my mistakes. Here's an extension activity that you can do at home. If you have your packet, the numbers are already ready for you at the bottom. If not, you're going to write the numbers 1 through 20 on a piece of paper. Then you're going to cut out these numbers. Safety first. Make sure you ask an adult for help if you need it. Put the numbers into a bowl, a cup, or a hat, something that you can shake a little bit to get those numbers all mixed up. Then you're going to pull out 2 numbers at random and compare them. Is it greater or less than? You can even throw some numbers in there that are the same so you can practice with equal to. You can do this over and over again. And again, it's at the bottom of your packet, and you can just cut those out. Again, I am Mrs. Sapp. I hope you enjoyed this first grade math lesson over comparing numbers using a number line. I'll see you next time.